Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we are putting a highly requested piece of everyday tech under the microscope. We are doing a complete chapter-by-chapter review of the Portronics Tri Charge Ultra. If you've been looking to streamline your digital life and really optimize your workspace, this is exactly the deep dive you need.
But first, quick question for you. Picture your nightstand or your main work desk right now. Seriously, visualize it for a second. How many tangled cables are currently cluttering up that space? You've probably got one cable for your phone, some weird proprietary puck for your smartwatch, and yet another wire for your earbuds. It's a frustrating, messy web of wires that we just sort of accept as a part of modern life. But what if we didn't have to?
Well, enter the solution. We're looking at the Portronics Tri Charge Ultra. It's a 3-in-1 wireless charging station designed to be the ultimate organized hub for your daily carry. It toggles your phone, your smartwatch, and your wireless earbuds simultaneously, all from one single sleek footprint. Literally no more playing musical chairs with your wall outlets or fumbling around for dropped cables in the dark.
To see if this device is actually worth your hard-earned cash, we're breaking this explainer down into 5 quick chapters. The clutter killer, perfecting the alignment, setting the mood, power and protection, and finally, the final verdict. Let's jump right in. Chapter 1. The clutter killer. So, the core promise of any 3-in-1 station is all about consolidating your power needs, right? But compatibility? That's usually the biggest hurdle. The great thing here is the Tri Charge Ultra completely bypasses those restrictive ecosystems. Basically, as long as your smartphone, earbuds, or smartwatch are Q certified, this dock is ready to work. It happily supports popular devices across major brands for all 3 of its charging zones.
Now, when you're charging multiple devices at once, power distribution is everything. For your primary device, your phone, you're getting up to 15 watts of fast wireless charging. That's a super solid rate to get you topped up quickly. At the same time, the station intelligently routes 5 watts to your earbuds and a steady 2.5 watts to your smartwatch simultaneously. It's handling the whole shebang at optimal wireless speeds without breaking a sweat. Moving right along to Chapter 2, Perfecting the Alignment.
Look, we all know wireless chargers can be notoriously finicky. You place your phone just a hair off center and boom, you wake up to a dead battery. It's the worst. But the Tri Charge Ultra solves this with an adjustable coil on the main stand. Since modern phones come in wildly different sizes, you literally just slide the charging pad up or down manually to perfectly match your specific phone's internal battery coil. It guarantees a secure power connection every single time.
And actually, this adjustable design gives you a fantastic secondary benefit. Because you can slide that coil, you can charge your phone conveniently in both vertical and horizontal orientations. So, scrolling through messages? Keep it vertical. Want to watch a video or take a landscape video call while you charge at your desk? Just flip the phone sideways and adjust the pad. It's incredibly practical.
That everyday convenience totally extends to case-friendly charging too. Because let's be real, there is genuinely nothing more annoying than having to strip your phone out of its protective case every single night just to get a charge going.
So the magic number you need to remember here is 6. The Tri Charge Ultra is engineered to push power straight through compatible non-metallic phone cases, up to 6 millimeters thick. As long as your case isn't made of solid metal or overly bulky, you can just drop the phone on the stand and let it work. It's all about reducing friction in your daily routine.
Okay, Chapter 3, Setting the Mood.
So far, we focused heavily on raw power, but this station actually bakes a really cool lifestyle feature right into its base, a touch control nightlight. Think about it. If this lives on your bedside table, you absolutely do not want to turn on a blinding overhead light at 2 a.m. This edge provides a soft, ambient glow that you control with just a simple tap on the base of the unit.
And you actually get options to customize that ambiance. A quick tap cycles you through 3 distinct lighting modes. You've got warm light for a really cozy, relaxing vibe, cool light if you need a bit more stark clarity, and a dual light mode. Or, of course, you can just tap it to turn the light completely off if you prefer total darkness while you sleep. It's a thoughtful little touch that really elevates the charger from a mere utility device to a functional piece of room decor.
All right, let's get a little technical. Chapter 4, Power and Protection.
You are trusting this station with hundreds, if not thousands of dollars worth of electronics every night, so we really need to know what's happening under the hood. You aren't just getting some raw copper coil throwing out unregulated electricity. Portronics has actually implemented a highly managed 7-layer protection system. Let's break down exactly what those safety protocols are doing. First up is Foreign Object Detection, or FOD. If a coin, a paperclip, or your keys accidentally land on the charging pad, the charger instantly detects it and won't dangerously heat up trying to charge them. On top of that, the system features strict overcurrent, overvoltage, overtemperature, and short circuit protections. Why is this such a big deal? Because it means you can confidently leave your expensive devices charging overnight while you sleep, knowing the station will actively prevent battery damage or dangerous overheating.
And supplying all that safe, consistent power is a modern USB Type-C port located right on the back of the dock. It is so great to see Type-C being the standard here, ensuring a super reliable and widely compatible connection from the unit straight to the wall outlet.
But hold up, here is a critical detail you absolutely need to take away from this explainer. To get optimal charging performance, specifically to hit that 15-watt fast charge for your phone while simultaneously powering your watch and earbuds, a minimum 18-watt power adapter is required. The station basically needs enough juice coming in so it can distribute it all out. So when you set this up, just make sure the wall brick you plug the Type-C cable into is rated for at least 18 watts.
And that brings us to Chapter 5, the final verdict.
We've seen the 3-in-1 convenience, the adjustable alignment hardware, the ambient lighting, and all that robust safety tech. So how does it actually stack up as a true investment for your desk? Well, the Tri Charge Ultra has a listed regular price of 2,999 rupees, but right now it is currently available at a significantly discounted sale price of 1,699 rupees. For that price, you are effectively buying back your desk real estate, completely eliminating cable clutter, and gaining a dedicated, super safe home base for your 3 most important daily devices.
So I'll leave you with this final thought to consider today. Look back at that messy, tangled nightstand or desk we visualized at the very beginning of this explainer. Between the fast 15-watt charging, the 7 layers of active protection, and the simple ability to just drop your devices on a single station and walk away, is clearing your desk clutter permanently worth the investment for you? Really think about how upgrading your workspace could simplify your entire daily routine. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you on the next one.